Really, I received a box a few days ago and I really don't know where it came from. It doesn't show me a brand name, a letter, and I can't remember if I applied for this. I don't remember at all. I asked a few people, they were like, they didn't say anything. So I was like, you know what, I'm just not gonna keep asking because I really don't care, to be honest, at this point. Like, I don't feel like actually doing the research to find out who gave me this. But whoever sent me this box, I'm very appreciative and grateful, though. Don't get me wrong. I'm just not gonna take the time to actually search which platform, because I checked my emails, my DMs, like scrolled like this. I'm like, I'm not gonna do a full extensive search because, girl, not in the mental space to do all that. I'm like, you know what, it's okay, whatever. I have it, I'm gonna accept this and move on. So yeah, I don't think it's a paid collab. If it was a paid collab, I would be like, oh my gosh, I need to do it, because I'm not trying to lose this money. I'm not gonna look unprofessional, but I'm pretty sure it's just a simple gifted collab. So I'm still gonna post about it. But yeah, so this is the bounce. You see, I did came with the paper, but not saying the brand. It just says the order and that's it, and my address and the products they sent me. I don't know where, who, the what, the when, I don't forget. I didn't receive any email, so yeah, whatever. So I already opened it, so I know what it is. Like, cause I was like, whoa, I don't think I remember this box. So then I quickly opened it and I was like, yeah, I don't know. So yeah, oh well. Some brands, they just find your information, they give you things maybe. The first thing is this big thing. Oh, it comes with two things. Oh, they're all together, right? Okay, so I like how they're packaged very protected. I don't even know if I'm gonna use it, to be honest. I don't need skincare. I think it's skincare. I've seen this everywhere though, which, ooh, I like that it's so big. Cause I like big things. I'm just kidding. So this is a Clinique clarifying lotion exfoliator. Oh, actually, I do need exfoliator. I don't have one. This is dry combination skin, so okay, perfect for me. This is twice a day exfoliator. One, so I have to use it twice a day. What? So this removes dual dry flakes to uncover skin that's vibrant, glowing, instantly refines pores, smooths texture, helps skin accept moisture. Alright, okay, this I do need. Over time, helps revitalize skin's natural renewal process. Skin looks and acts healthier. Alright, good. So use cotton ball and sweep over face and throat twice daily. Avoid eye. Okay, so let me smell it. I love their packaging. This is gonna last you like over 2 years, I feel like. Damn, that's a lot. So this is the biggest skincare product I've ever owned. Oh, it smells like alcohol. Like a glue, like, or kind of like the make nail remover. A little, that kind of reminds me of it. Like acetone. Yeah, I don't mind, but in case y'all don't mind the scent, it's light, it's not intense. Maybe when I apply it on the face, it's gonna smell, and then it's gonna subside, and it's like not even there. Probably like those products, you know. But it is an exfoliator, so it's probably this way it smells chemically, because it's literally trying to get away all the dirt. I don't freaking know, but my skin has improved from the last videos I did, because I'm not stressing anymore, and I use a face mask. This one, I used a eye mask, I used a serum. I basically hydrated my face and then exfoliated after, and then it helped remove the redness and the crusty. So yeah, my skin is acting better. It's still obviously not gonna look 100% because of the scarring, but it does look better for sure than last time when it was very red and horrible. But yeah, I'm excited for this though. I was gonna give it away, but I'm like, never mind, I do need it. Okay, and the last thing they sent me is this Dior Addict Lip Glow in the shade pink. Ooh, this might look like this pink, I don't know, but I've never tried a high-end brand, so this is exciting. This is wow. I'm rich. No, I'm just kidding. That they feel like rich people buy this. And no, they chose a poor little girl like me to review this. That's crazy. Like, they see my content worth enough to send me high-end Greek brand. Like, wow. Thank you. Wow, it's so pretty. And I don't feel like using this. I don't feel like I deserve to use this. I'm poor. This looks like a rich housewife will wear this, or you know, the celebrities out here. But it does look very, very nice. Look, I like the pink. It's kind of like, oh, it reminds me of the 2000s kind of. Paris Hilton will wear this, I'm pretty sure. It looks like this is her style too, the pink. Okay, so, and the logo, right? It doesn't, for it being Dior, I thought it was gonna feel heavy and luxurious, but it feels plasticky. Maybe it's not even a high-end brand. I don't know much about high-end brands, so. But this for sure ain't any from the drugstore, honey, or Walmart. So that's all I know. So pretty sure this is from Sephora. You can find it at, I don't freaking know. This is, okay, see, that's the shade. You can barely see it. Never mind. I'm trying to show you. Oh, it smells like Rice Krispie, like marshmallow, like Rice Krispie. Sweet, very sweet. Wow, I just love this scent. And look at the shade. It's like the one I'm wearing, kind of just lighter. It's a lighter pink, but oh, it's like the pink marshmallow from Lawless that I'm trying. Oh, I thought it was gonna be a dupe, but no, it's not. This is a different pink shade, but they're similar tone, but it's not the same. I feel like this is a good everyday lip balm like this. This is pretty though. I love the shade, the scent. Let me see how much product it has. Okay, that's all the product it has. Not a lot. I don't know how much it costs. I put the prices here, but I feel like for the price, I don't know. I feel like whatever. It looks so pretty. I can't really test it out. I don't have anything to remove this. Okay, so I removed it. Now I'm gonna test out this shade. It kind of tastes a little minty too. You know that. It's not really pigmented. It's very, very sheer, so it is pretty, but it's pretty. I like it. So you wanna look like you have something on, but not really for every day. Yeah, try this. Definitely, it's not so moisturizing, but it is moisturizing the more I apply it. It's not so pigmented, so if you like that natural lip balm, then you're gonna like this. Okay, the smell is not as intense anymore than when I first opened it, but it's still pretty nice. So thank you, Dior. Like 24 hours of hydration supposedly. I don't know about that, but okay, those are all the ingredients. In case you're not interested. Okay, so far I'm liking these products. If I find out who sent me this, I'll put it here or in my video description. But if not, thank you either way. I'm so very happy to receive these because I think I actually need this. And this, I always use lip balm, so I need a bunch of these. So yeah, wow, it's cool. Okay, bye.